How to treat pimple marks naturally. The secret mask will make your pimple marks fade quickly, leaving you with perfectly smooth, glowing skin. This mask contains 5 natural ingredients that effectively remove scars, unclog pores, and smooth skin without the need for expensive treatments. Let us make it. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Half tablespoon of activated charcoal powder, half tablespoon of bentonite clay powder, 1 vitamin E soft gel capsule, 2 drops of tea tree oil, 2 tablespoons purified water, just enough to blend. Let's move into the formulation of our DIY face mask. To begin, take half TSP of activated charcoal, which is an acne fighter. Helps with deep cleansing by acting as a magnet to draw dirt, oil, and toxins from clogged pores. It also acts as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells for smoother skin and reducing black and whiteheads. Add half tablespoon of bentonite clay, which absorbs excess oil and mattifies shiny skin. It tightens pores and has antibacterial properties, which can soothe inflamed acne. Eliminates impurities and environmental pollutants. Reduces redness caused by rashes or sunburn. Then, add 1 soft gel capsule of vitamin E oil. Helps to protect skin cells from UV rays, pollution, and environmental stressors. Keeps your skin hydrated and nourished. Increases cell regeneration, which reduces acne scars and dark spots. Promotes smoother, softer, and more supple skin. Reduces the redness and irritation associated with active breakouts. Next, 2 drops of tea tree oil. Its antibacterial properties kills acne-causing bacteria and helps to reduce inflammation. Overnight, the swollen red pimples shrink. Helps to balance oily skin by removing excess sebum without overdrying. Prevents future outbreaks. Regular use helps to keep pores clear. Disinfects skin without using harsh chemicals. Finally, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of purified water, just enough to make a smooth, spreadable paste. Apply evenly to the face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Use this face pack 2 times a week for best results. Smash that like button and subscribe for more skincare hacks.